let's jump over to Scarlett Ficar this morning as we kind of get things underway this morning and really kind of looking. The futures are pointing solidly higher this morning, really on this, the back of this expectation we're going to get tax cuts signed into law potentially this week, get that sent up to the president for his approval. And that's going to really give a bigger lift to stocks. But really what this is, and we were just talking about with Danielle DiMartino Booth, this is really just a all-in push at this point for individuals to get into the market, the fear of missing out. And it's a very dangerous late stage of the cycle, so you want to be very careful here. But again, as we've been writing our newsletter, hey, we're still long the markets, we're still participating, but we are watching this very, very, very closely. This is a dangerous part of the market we've gotten into. But outside of that, let's get over to Scarlett this morning and talk about the markets, shall we? Hey, Scarlett.
Good morning. Yeah, for those of you heading to work this morning, one more week until Christmas, folks. You've got this. You've got this. I know.
You've got this.
I just want to remind you.
But you better get, as our good friend Sammy says, you better get to a clicking, because if you're not ordering, there's a good chance it's not going to make it by Christmas.
There you go. Yeah, you better have your shopping done like ASAP. But anyways, in your markets overnight, the MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose 0.8%, while Japan's Topix Index closed 1.4% higher. In Europe, the STOXX 600 Index was 0.8% higher at 545 this morning, with all industry groups actually gaining. S&P 500 futures added 0.3%, and the 10-year Treasury yield was at 2.373%. Gold was slightly higher this morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average might yet hit another milestone this week, just like you said, Lance, especially if Congress passes the package of tax cuts. The index has nearly quadrupled since the financial crisis low. U.S. crude futures gained 0.5% to trade at $57.50 per barrel. CME, the derivatives marketplace, kicked off electronic Bitcoin futures trading yesterday. This is a week after futures trading began on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Investors see this move as a sign of growing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. But, of course, government officials, business leaders, and economists, they are still warning against investing in it. The digital currency continues to be extremely volatile. It jumped to within a few $100s of the 20,000 mark on Sunday before slipping back sharply early this morning. It was trading well below 19,000. And taking a look at some individual stocks doing extremely well this morning, shares of Amplify Snack soared about 66% to $36.50 in pre-market trading, after Hershey said it would buy the Skinny Pop popcorn maker in a $1.6 billion deal. Hershey's was flat. What do you got, Lance?
Because there's another big acquisition coming out today that was just announced this morning. I'm getting bought.
You're getting bought?
I'm getting bought. Campbell Soup came out. They're buying Lance.
Stop.
They are. All the Lance crackers and all those products getting bought by Campbell Soup today.
That's exciting.
So I'm getting bought today.
I didn't know you had Lance crackers.
I always have Lance crackers.
What are we talking about right now? Because mind blown. Sometimes I wonder what people are thinking in their cars. And
you got to love the peanut butter and crackers, the cream cheese and chive crackers.
Ooh.
Come on.
No.
It's peanut butter and honey crackers. Really? You've never had Lance products?
No, they should be in the office, like stacked up and always accessible for us employees.
There it is. All right. Yes. Are you done?
Well, I just had one more.
Snyder's
and Lance was up 5.6% at $49.40 after Campbell Soup said it would buy the pretzels and Cape Cod chips maker for $4.87
That's the
million.
one. That's the one. And
okay.
that's also that's the pretzel company and the Lance crackers.
Yay.
That's all. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. It's all in one.
Snyder's and Lance getting bought today.
So exciting.
That's right. I'm gonna change your name to Snyder. We'll be right back.